Two of the Trump administration's controversial immigration policies are under challenge this morning, and the outcome could limit the president's power. A federal judge ruled yesterday the decision to end the DACA program that protects young immigrants from deportation was unlawful. And the Supreme Court holds arguments this morning on the president's travel ban. Jan Crawford is outside the Supreme Court. All right, so Jan, what will the justices have to decide here?
Well, Norah, they're looking actually at President Trump's third try at a travel ban, and this one is significantly more limited than the earlier ones. It targets only a handful of countries that the administration says don't have proper security screening in place for people who are coming to the U.S. And the Supreme Court actually let this ban take effect back in December, which I think is a sign that the justices may well rule for the administration in this case. But challengers say that the ban still discriminates against Muslims. It targets them because of their religion or their nationality, and they're using the president's own words, his tweets, his campaign promises, to try to make their case. And a decision in this issue is expected by the end of June. Norah?
Be interesting to watch that. We mentioned that the Trump administration received that lowercase court, setback to end DACA. Explain what the judge said there.
Well, I mean, this is a decision from one federal judge, and he's just said that the administration didn't do a good enough job of explaining why it was ending this program, which, of course, as you said, protects some young adults from deportation. But whether or not this is a setback, I mean, that still remains to be seen, because he gave the administration 90 days to come up with a better explanation for why they were ending this program. And if they don't, then he said he's going to keep those DACA protections in place. And it's also important to remember that this is just one judge. There are several other lower court rulings. They've come down on both sides of this issue. So you know what that means. The Supreme Court probably is going to have to step into this case at some point, although that won't be anytime soon.
And lucky us, Jan will be there to explain it all to us. Jan, thank you so much.
Thanks.
I was thinking that exact same thing.
I know. No one makes it clearer than Jan Crawford.
That's exactly what I was thinking.